The heart of leadership, it's about people. Leadership is about people. It's about understanding their needs, their aspirations, and their potential. It's about inspiring a group to achieve a common goal. It's about motivating them to reach heights they never thought possible. Great leaders understand this deeply. They know that their success is intertwined with the success of their team. They know their team's strengths and weaknesses. They leverage these insights to drive performance and growth. They create an environment where everyone feels valued. They foster a culture of inclusivity and respect. This is how great work happens. Collaboration and mutual respect lead to outstanding results. Think of a conductor leading an orchestra. The conductor doesn't play an instrument but ensures every musician plays their part perfectly. Each musician has a specific role. The conductor guides them. They create harmony. Together, they produce a symphony. A leader does the same. They guide their team towards a shared vision. They bring different individuals together. They harness diverse talents and perspectives. They create a team that works in sync. A team that moves as one. When people feel valued, they perform better. They are more engaged. They are more productive. They bring their best selves to work. They are more likely to go the extra mile. They take ownership and pride in their work. This is the power of effective people management. It's about creating a thriving, dynamic, and successful team. Clear communication. The bridge to understanding. It connects people, ideas, and goals. Communication is key in any relationship, whether personal or professional. This is especially true in a leader-team dynamic. Clear communication builds trust and respect. It prevents misunderstandings and conflicts. It ensures everyone is on the same page, working towards common objectives. Be clear about your expectations. Communicate them regularly and consistently. Use different methods of communication. Face-to-face conversations are powerful and personal. Emails provide documentation and clarity. Team meetings allow for open discussion and collective problem solving. Listen actively to your team. Encourage open dialogue and diverse perspectives. Create a safe space for feedback. Make it a regular practice. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It requires effort from both sides. It's about speaking and listening with intent, fostering mutual understanding and collaboration. Setting the course goals as guiding stars. Imagine sailing a ship without a destination. You would drift aimlessly. The same applies to teams. Without clear goals, they lack direction. Set clear, measurable goals. Make them achievable but challenging. Communicate these goals effectively. Make sure everyone understands their role in achieving them. Break down large goals into smaller milestones. Celebrate successes along the way. This keeps the team motivated. It provides a sense of accomplishment. Section 4. The foundation of collaboration. Trust and respect. These two elements are essential for any team to thrive. Trust is the bedrock of any successful team. It allows team members to rely on each other and work cohesively. Respect is the glue that holds it all together. It ensures that everyone feels valued and heard. Without these elements, teams crumble. They become dysfunctional and unable to achieve their goals. Treat your team members with respect. Value their opinions. Recognize their contributions and celebrate their successes. Create an environment where everyone feels safe to speak up. Building trust takes time. It requires consistency and genuine effort. Be transparent in your actions. Share information openly and honestly. Be accountable for your decisions. Lead with integrity and set a positive example. This will foster a culture of trust and respect, where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best. Section 5. Nurturing growth, feedback, and encouragement. Everyone wants to grow. They want to improve their skills. They want to reach their full potential. Feedback and encouragement are crucial for this growth. Provide regular feedback. Make it constructive and specific. Focus on both strengths and areas for improvement. Be honest but supportive in your delivery. Recognize and celebrate achievements. A simple "well done" can go a long way. Encourage your team to step outside their comfort zones. Support them in taking on new challenges. Section 6. Leading with impact. A recap. Leading people effectively is a skill. Like any skill, it requires practice. It requires dedication. By focusing on communication, goal setting, trust, and feedback, you can create a thriving team environment. Remember, leadership is not about power. It's about service. It's about empowering others to be their best. Lead with heart. Lead with authenticity. Lead with a focus on people. The impact you make will be immeasurable.